Keep watching as we discuss how Ponce Law has created such an engaged workforce that they've been routinely voted the best places to work. I'm here again with Michael Ponce to talk a little bit more about associate engagement and having fired up employees. Michael, we discussed previously that your firm's won Best Places to Work award on many occasions, and that's great. It's fabulous. And we also talked about how important we both feel it is to have associates who are fired up, engaged, and understand why they're doing what they're doing. Tell me a little bit about how you guys at Ponce Law have managed to accomplish these things.
Well, we like to really honor all of our team members. I always say that you treat your team members the way you want them to treat our clients. And I want all our clients to be treated special. And so we try to do the same thing with all of our team members. Part of that is open lines of communications, transparency, letting them know what's going on in the firm. Like sometimes you may have some team members who, they're working on some aspect of cases and don't know the overall picture. So we want to share that picture with everyone. We want them to know what the priorities are for the law firm. So one of the things we do is we have a huddle every Monday where everyone, either in person or remotely, gets together and we give kind of the goals of the firm, tell about some of the good results we've had for our clients, read some of the reviews that our clients have recently given us. We want to recognize the outstanding work of our team members and of individual pods and attorneys, all of those things. And then, we also have an educational element of that as well. So getting everybody together at least once a week, I think is important to us. Can't always have everybody in person, but we try to get most people in person. We also try to do a lot of just fun things because what we do as a law firm, it's stressful. We have hard deadlines. We have clients that are hurt and understandably can be very demanding. It's an adversarial profession. There's not a lot of jobs that you work at where there's someone else who's being paid to prevent you from doing what you're trying to accomplish. But that's exactly what we have in this profession. So given all of that, it's a stressful position to be in. And so we try to do some things that are fun, whether it's going out of the office to sporting events, the Nashville Soccer Club, a Titans game, the Nashville Sounds baseball team, whatever it is. We try to do a lot of those things, bowling. We're doing something like that every month. We also have a lot of dinners and get-togethers socially at restaurants, or even have lunch and learns in our office. Everybody in our office on their anniversaries getting recognized or getting flowers or getting recognition and support. Everybody gets a birthday lunch and cake and presents that are tailored to them. We try to honor the people that we have working for us because they're treasures in so many ways. But they're, of course, the other thing, part of that is people want to grow in their profession. And so we try to make sure we're giving them the best possible training and the best possible tools, whether it's technology or sending them to conferences, wherever it is in the United States. We spend a ton of money on education and scholarship for our team members. I think it pays off. Someone says, well, what if you spend all that money on the training and stuff and they leave? Like, well, what's the alternative? What if you don't spend that and you don't train them and they stay?
Yeah, exactly. And, quite frankly, you hit on, I think, three things that are hugely important: recognition and fun and job growth. And basically, whether it be training or whatever, and you have to invest in that. It's almost like investing in your cases. You have to go out and hire the right experts if you expect to be successful. Well, the same holds true, I think, for the people who work in your firm or for Advocate or any business for that matter. You have to invest in those people, whether it be financially, emotionally, however it is. You need to invest in them both from a recognition and, just like you said, from a fun standpoint. And you're right, all of us have competition that we're striving to hold off and do the best we can to garner new clients at whatever business we're in. But you are totally different in that regard, in that not only do you have competition, you have actual adversaries that are their job and they're getting paid to make sure you're not successful. And that's a whole different thing to deal with every day.
It is, but It's one of the reasons I think we're so happy with our relationship with Advocate Capital, is because our relationship with Advocate Capital has allowed us to invest in our people. It's allowed us to invest in technology. It's allowed us to invest in training, so that our team members, we feel, have the best possible tools and training available.
That's great. And it's hugely important. And I really appreciate how important that you guys obviously make it by winning Best Places to Work. That doesn't happen. I mean, it's hard to get nominated, much less to win the thing. So what that tells me is the people who work for you are telling whomever are running those contests how fabulous it is. And they're doing it in an anonymous way.
No.
So that's a testament to you and your team for making that happen.
I think the other compliment we've got is how many of our team members have brought in their best friend, other family members. We have, I'm not even sure how many where they've got, they bring their sisters aboard, or they brought a spouse or something. So we have multiple members of a family all working at the firm.
That's great. Well, that tells you everything. If they're referring their best friends and their family members to come work there, that tells you that they love what they do and they love the firm for which they do it. So congratulations to you on that. And if there's anybody watching out here that would like to learn more about those kind of efforts and maybe things that you guys do to really fire up your associate base, can you give us your contact information?
Sure. We have an incredible calendar of events that we do for our people, which, I'd be happy to share some examples of that. And our personal contact information is michael@poncelaw.com if you'd like to email me. Also, you can contact us through our website. It's Ponce. It's www.poncelaw.com. That's PONCELAW.com. Our phone number is 615-851-1776.
All right. Thank you, Michael. Really appreciate it.
All right.